Hello friends, welcome to Bana Diaries. Here, I would like to share all my good and bad experiences. Before starting, I would like to pose you all a question. How would you feel when you do anything for the first time? Comment me in the comment section. Coming to my case, I believe that first experience are the best experience. So today I am going to share my first experience of doing a papercraft. Here is the papercraft that my sister and I have done this photo frame. It's a beautiful experience for both of us and took 3 hours to complete it. Before trying this frame, I have done this simple flower for the first time. Here, I'll show you how I made this frame by using a simple flower making. For this, we need to take 7 into 7 cm square and fold it diagonally as shown. Now, remove the excess part using scissors. And then draw the shape of the flower. Once it is done, cut it. But this is the important part to get the nice shape of the flower. Now open that and you can see the beautiful layer. The second thing is that we need to take 5 into 5 cm square and fold it diagonally as shown. Now remove the excess part by using scissors. And draw the shape of 2 flower petals. This part should be more focused. Once it is done, cut it, and this will be the layer. For combining flower, we need 2 layers of 7x7 type and 1 layer of 5x5 cm type and a pistil too. Join each one of them using gum. This is the final look of the flower. And I have used 6 flowers and 8 rods for the making of photo frame. Taking this as an inspiration, here I made a flower vase decor. At first, we take a 9x9 square of yellow color and fold it diagonally as shown. Now draw the shape of 2 petals. Once it is done, cut that with a scissor. Here is the layer. For making another layer, we need to take 5 into 5 cm square and repeat the same process as mentioned earlier. As I have got some practice, so it does not take much time while doing this one. For making pistil, we need to take 2 into 30 centimeters rectangle and fold it. And cut that gently as shown in the video. Once it is done, now rotate the pistil gently by attaching with the gum. This is how it looks in the end. Now we need 3 layers of 9x9 type and 2 layers of 5x5 type and a pistil. Now join them using gum. And this is the final outcome of the flower. For making stem, I have taken 6 into 30 cm rectangle and using a refill I have rotated like this and attached with a gum. Here I have taken white color, but you can take the green color if you like. Now take a 2 cm radius circle and cut it into the required shape so as to resemble like the bottom base of a flower. And then make a hole and insert the stem into it. Now attach both this bottom part and the stem using gum. Once it is done, now combine it with the bottom part of the flower. Here I pressed the stem so as to bend the flower aside slightly. Here I have wrapped the stem with a green leaf to make it look more natural. This is how it looks at the end. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it. For more content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you are the first to be notified when the new videos are released. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.